plus 2x plus 2 can be taken as x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1 with respect to x. And this is equals to integral of 1 upon x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square with respect to x. X square plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square. So integral of 1 upon x square plus a square. Integral of 1 upon x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So that is equals to tan inverse of x plus 1 plus c. So option B, tan inverse of x plus 1 plus c. 1 upon x square plus a square. So here 2 can be taken as x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1. Integral of 1 upon square root of 9x minus 4x square. So let us consider 9x minus 4x square as minus of 4x square minus 9x. So that is equals to minus 4 normal. So you will be get x square minus 9 by 4 into x, half into coefficient of x minus 9 by 4 whole square. So it is 36 by 8 under 64. So minus 9 whole square, sorry, 81. And this is 2 4 8, 64. So that is equal to minus 4 times of x square minus 9 by 4x plus 81 by 64 minus 81 by 64. So that is minus 4 times of. This can be taken as x minus 9 by 8 whole square. X minus 9 by 8 whole square. And here it is minus 81 can be taken as 9 by 8 whole square. 9 by 8 whole square. So minus in the multiply 4 minus in the multiply. So 9 by 8 whole square minus of x minus 9 by 8 whole square. So this can be taken as integral of 1 upon square root of. So in 4 ಇದೆ 4 ನಾಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. This is 9 by 8 whole square minus of x minus 9 by 8 whole square with respect to x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ root 4 ಇದೆ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 upon square root of 9 by 8 whole square minus of x minus 9 by 8 whole square with respect to x. Integral of 1 upon root of a square minus x square. This is 1 by 2 sine inverse of x. X means x minus 9 by 8 by a. A is 9 by 8 plus c. So that is equals to 1 by 2 sine inverse of 8x minus 9 divided by 8. 8x minus 9 divided by 8 whole divided by 9 by 8 plus 8 get cancelled. So that is equals to 1 by 2 sine inverse of 8x minus 9 by 9 plus c. Integration by partial fractions. So generally model 3 marks integration by partial fractions. So integration by partial fractions is used to find the integrals of the form p of x by q of x, where q of x is not equal to 0, a rational function. So ಇದನ್ನ p by q ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ p by q ನ rational numbers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. q not equal to 0, p and q are integers. ಇದು rational numbers, ಇದು rational function. So here where p of x and q of x are the polynomials in x, if the rational function is of the form, ಇದನ್ನ rational function ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, p of x by q of x, it is the ratio of p of x and q of x, where p of x and q of x are the polynomials in x. So polynomials in x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ maybe both p and q are the linear polynomials in x, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ax plus b ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು. Quadratic polynomial in x, ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, here also a is not equal to 0. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ rational function ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, p of x by q of x is the ratio of the two polynomials p of x and q of x, where p of x and q of x are the polynomials in x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So polynomials in x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ both p of x and q of x are the linear polynomial in x, both p of x and q of x are the quadratic polynomials in x. Maybe p of x is the linear polynomial in x and q of x is the quadratic polynomial in x, or sometimes q of x is the linear polynomial in x and p of x may be the quadratic polynomial in x. ಅಂದ್ರೆ two options ಬರುತ್ತೆ, four options. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ax plus b by ax plus b ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ax square plus bx plus c by ax plus b ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, or it may be ax square plus bx plus c by ax square plus bx plus c ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Of course, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 of x plus 3 linear polynomials in x ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ x minus x plus 2 by x square plus 3x plus 5. So p of x is linear polynomial in x and q of x is quadratic polynomial in x. Or sometimes so x square minus 4 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6, both are quadratic polynomials in x. Or sometimes so x square minus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 2, maybe both of them, both the numerator and denominator are linear polynomials in x. Both numerator and denominator are the quadratic polynomial, maybe numerator is linear polynomial in x and denominator is the quadratic polynomial in x, or it may be quadratic, so numerator is the quadratic polynomial in x and denominator is the linear polynomial in x. So if the degree of if the degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator, then it is a proper rational function. If the degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator, then it is a proper rational function. So, allige degree of numerator less than the degree of denominator. Of course, in two cases same ide. Okay na? But note, x plus 2 divided by x square plus 3x plus 5. Here the degree of numerator is 1. Here the degree of denominator is 2. So, degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator. So, it is a proper rational function. If the degree of numerator is greater than or equals to the denominator function. So, example for proper rational function is x plus 2 divided by x square plus 3x plus 5, because degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator. So, improper anta kadeyadre yavu karitive, if the degree of numerator is greater than or equal to the degree of denominator, degree of numerator greater than or equal to degree of denominator, that is a improper rational function. So, allige improper anta tagondre illond example barutte. Here the degree of numerator is 2, degree of denominator is 1, so it is improper rational function. So, here the degree of numerator is equal to the degree of denominator, so it is also a improper rational function. So, both are degree of numerator equals degree of denominator, improper. Degree of numerator is greater than the degree of denominator, it is also improper. So, then how to integrate such rational functions? How to integrate such rational functions? Means the rational functions are of two cases. Whether it is a proper rational function or it may be an improper rational function. If it is a proper rational function, then how to integrate such functions? If it is an improper rational function, then how to find the integrals of such functions? So, can be resolved in integration by partial fractions. So, in this case, we have to find the integrals of proper rational functions and improper rational functions. So, it depends upon to identify whether it is a proper rational function or it may be improper rational function. We have to check whether the degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator. If the degree of numerator less than the degree of denominator, then it is a proper rational function. If the degree of numerator is greater than or equal to the degree of denominator, then it is an improper rational function. So, if it is proper rational function, then how to find the integrals. If it is improper rational function, then also how to find the integrals of such functions. So, can be discussed in integration by partial fractions. So, there are some rules to follow the integrals while finding the integrals of proper and improper rational functions. So, we have to follow such rules. Okay. Form of rational function, form of partial fraction. So, 1 upon x minus a into x minus b. So, if the rational function is of the form 1 upon x minus a into x minus b, a is not equal to b. So, a and b are different. Then to find the integrals of such functions, we have to split it as a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b. A upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b. px plus q by x minus a whole square. So this can be taken as a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a whole square. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು observe ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು denominator ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ x minus a linear factor, x minus b linear factor, but both are different. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ denominator contains non repeated linear factors ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. But here it is x minus a whole square. X minus a is repeated 2 times. This is a repeated linear factor. So first case ಅಲ್ಲಿ denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ non repeated linear factors ಇದೆ. 1 upon x minus 1 into x minus 2, 1 upon x plus 1 into x plus 2, 1 upon x plus 1 into x minus 2, 1 upon x minus 1 into x plus 2, 1 upon x minus 3 into 1 upon x minus 3 into x plus 4. ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ functions. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು denominator contains non repeated linear factors, but here the denominator contains repeated linear factors. If the denominator contains non repeated linear factors, it can be taken as a upon x minus a, that is partial fraction. Okay, the integrals of rational functions can be found by using the method of partial fractions. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಮತ್ತೆ b ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, both are constants, we have to find. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ px plus q ಇದೆ, numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ linear factor ಇದೆ, but denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ quadratic factor ಬರುತ್ತೆ. x minus a whole square ನ ನೀವು expand ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x square plus a square minus 2ax, but numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ highest power of x 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ highest power of x 2 ಇದೆ. Degree of numerator less than the degree of denominator. It's a proper function. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, ಈ 1 ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು x power of 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x into x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Highest power of x in the numerator is 0, highest power of x in the denominator is 2. So it is again a proper function, and it is again a proper function. Okay, third case. Px square plus qx plus r divided by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. So that is equals to a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b plus c upon x minus c. So denominator contains 3 non-repeated linear factors. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ denominator ನ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x square into x cube ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Degree of numerator less than the degree of denominator. It is again proper. But denominator contains non-repeated 3 linear factors. Here denominator contains 2 non-repeated linear factors. Here the denominator contains a repeated linear factor. The fourth one. Again it is proper, this one is proper, and this one is proper. Px square plus qx plus r, px square plus qx plus r divided by x minus a whole square into x minus b. So that is a divided by x minus a plus b divided by x minus a whole square plus c divided by x minus b. A divided by x minus a plus b divided by x minus a whole square plus c divided by x minus b. And the fifth one, px square plus qx plus r divided by x minus a into x square plus bx plus c. X square plus bx plus c. So again this can be taken as a divided by x minus a plus bx plus c divided by x square plus bx plus c, where x square plus bx plus c is a non-factorizable quadratic factor. So while solving the proper and improper rational functions, we have to follow this method of resolving into partial fraction. I request all of the students to copy this one. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ A, B, C, D ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು we have to find. Denominator contains non-repeated linear factors. Denominator contains repeated linear factor. Denominator contains non-repeated linear factors. And again, here x minus a is repeated twice. Repeated linear factor, non-repeated linear factor. So again, non-repeated linear factor, and this one is non-factorizable quadratic factor. Is a non-factorizable. Non-factorizable ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square plus 4 ಇರಬಹುದು, x square plus 5 ಇರಬಹುದು, x square plus 1 ಈ ತರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸಬಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಫರ್ದರ್. ಅದು ನಾನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸಬಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 317. ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So denominator contains non-repeated linear factor. Non-repeated linear factor. X plus 1, x plus 2. Both are linear factors. See here, value of a minus 1, value of b minus 2. These two are not equal. Degree of numerator 1, degree of denominator x into x and x square. Degree of numerator less than the degree of denominator. Okay, so it is a proper function. So first one now we have so 1 upon x minus a into x minus b form ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 1 upon x minus a into x minus b ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಈ 1 ಅನ್ನ x power of 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So degree of numerator is 0, degree of denominator is 1 into 1 plus 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x into x x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ degree of denominator 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Degree of numerator is 0, degree of denominator is 2. So degree of numerator less than the degree of denominator. So ಈಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x power of 1 ಇದೆ. Degree of numerator is 1, degree of denominator is 2, degree of numerator less than the degree of denominator. So this can be taken as a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2. So ನಾವೇನೀಗ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನಾವೇನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ x upon x plus 1 x plus 2 ಇರೋದನ್ನ a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2 ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ both the sides by ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದರಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. x plus 1 into x plus 2 multiply both the sides by the non-repeated linear factors x plus 1 and x plus 2 ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x plus 1 x plus 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ x plus 1 x plus 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ x. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ x plus 1 x plus 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x plus 1 x plus 1 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x plus 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ a into x plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ x plus 1 x plus 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ x plus 1 x plus 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x plus 2 ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x plus 1 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So that is in the LHS. I think it's clear. Multiply both the sides by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So first term ge x plus 1 x plus 2 na multiply madidre denominator term cancel agutte, you will get only x. So RHS alli first term ge x plus 1 x plus 2 inda multiply madidre x plus 1 eliminate agutte, you will get x plus 2. Hage second term ge x plus 2 inda multiply madidre you will get x plus 1. And now we have to find the values of a and b. Okay, for this equating the coefficient of x and a constant term on both the sides. Equating the coefficient of x and constant term on both the sides. So coefficient of x in the LHS 1. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a into x ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ b into x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Coefficient of x is a, here coefficient of x is b and a constant term. LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 0 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 times of a ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ b ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ರೀ ಫ್ರಮ್ x, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಫ್ರಮ್ x, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು 2 times of a, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು b. ಸೊ 2 times of a plus b ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, now by solving these two equations one can find the value of a and b. a into x plus 2a, b into x plus b. So 2 times of a plus b. So a plus b is equals to 1. Okay. We have 2a plus b is equal to 0. A plus b equals minus 1. Subtract ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ minus 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 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Plus b minus b get cancelled. 2a minus a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 minus 1 minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So value of a is minus 1. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ equation ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Since 1 is equal to a plus b ಇದೆ, 1 is equal to value of a is minus 1 plus b. Minus 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 1 plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Value of b is 2. So value of a is minus 1 and value of b is 2. Okay, by solving these two equations. So 2a plus b is equal to 0 and a plus b is equal to 1. So subtract ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Plus b minus b eliminate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2a minus a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 minus 1 minus 1. So a is equal to minus 1. So ಇನ್ನು ಈ equation ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Since 1 is equal to a plus b, you know the value of a. Value of a is minus 1. Substitute here. ಈ minus 1 let's ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 2. So value of b equals 2. And now substitute the values of a and b in this equation. Substitute the values of a and b in the equation 1. Okay. X divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to value of a is minus 1 upon x plus 1. Value of b is 2 upon x plus 2. Now integrate on both the sides. On integrating, integral of x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 with respect to x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 upon x plus 1 with respect to x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Integral of 1 upon x plus 2 with respect to x. Okay. Integral of x by x plus 1 x plus 2 with respect to x is equal to minus of integral of 1 upon x plus 1. So minus differentiation of x plus 1. Differentiation of x plus 1 is 1. F dash of x by f of x. Log modulus of x plus 1 plus 2 times of differentiation of x plus 2. Differentiation of x plus 2 is also 1. F dash of x by f of x. So it is log modulus of x plus 2 plus c. Okay. So I think this is enough. Anyhow, minus log modulus of x plus 1. So n log m ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. n log m ಅಂದ್ರೆ log m power of n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Log x plus 2 whole square plus c. X by x plus 1 x plus 2 is equal to a. Value of a is minus 1. Minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus value of b is 2. 2 upon x plus 2. On integrating both the sides, integral of x by x plus 1 x plus 2 with respect to x. See here, this is the integral. This is the integration. Okay. Equals minus integral of 1 upon x plus 1 with respect to x plus 2 times of integral of 1 upon x plus 2 with respect to x. So that is minus differentiation of x plus 1 is 1 minus log modulus of x plus 1 plus 2 times of differentiation of x plus 2 is 1 integral of f dash of x by f of x. So 2 times of log modulus of x plus 2 plus c. So n log m ಬರುತ್ತೆ, log m power of n ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay. So minus of log modulus of x plus 1 plus log of modulus of x plus 2 whole square plus c. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x 1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ax ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x a. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ b ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x is b. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಸೊ LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರೀ ಫ್ರಮ್ x. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 0 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2a ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರೀ ಫ್ರಮ್ x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರೀ ಫ್ರಮ್ x. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 2a plus b ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. By solving these two equations, one can find the values of a and b. X plus 1 into x plus 2 with respect to x. This is consider integral limit, integration of limit. So this is the value of I, integral I. One upon x square minus 9 with respect to x. So that is equals to 1 upon x minus 3 into x plus 3. Factorizable quadratic factor. Factorizable quadratic factor. X minus 3 into x plus 3. Or you can take x plus 3 into x minus 3. So all the values of a and b change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. a ಗೆ b ಬರುತ್ತೆ, b ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. No need to worry. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು x minus 3 into x plus 3 ಅಂತ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, x plus 3 into x minus 3 ಅಂತ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ quadratic factor ಇದೆ, but it is a factorizable quadratic factor. So consider 1 upon x minus 3 into x plus 3. So here now the denominator contains non-repeated linear factors, that is a divided by x minus 3 plus b divided by x plus 3. A divided by x minus 3 plus b divided by x plus 3. Same procedure, multiply both the sides by x minus 3 into x plus 3. Multiply both the sides by x minus 3 into x plus 3. So here it is only 1, both the terms get cancelled. And here it is, first term ಗೆ ನಾವು multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x minus 3 eliminate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, you will get x plus 3. So that is a into x plus 3. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ x minus 3 x plus 3 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x plus 3 ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ b into x minus 3. Okay. Now equating the coefficient of x and constant. So here there is no x, so it is 0. Here a into x, so coefficient of x is a. Here b into x, coefficient of x is b. And constant term, in the LHS constant is 1, in the RHS constant is 3 times of a minus 3 times of b. So here it is coefficient of x a, coefficient of x is b. So here in the LHS constant term is 1, in the RHS it is 3a and minus 3b. So 3a minus 3b. So by solving these two equations, so we have 3a minus 3b is equals to 1. And a plus b 0 is that, so better multiply this equation by 3. Multiply by 3. So then 3a plus 3b equals 3 into 0 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 3 times of a minus 3 times of b 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ b ಏನಿದೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3b ಮೈನಸ್ 3b ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3a ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3a 6 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ a is 1/6. So plus 3b minus 3b get cancelled. So 3a plus 3a 6a ಇದೆ. So 0 plus 1 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 6a is 1. Value of a is 1/6. So let us take the equation again. A plus b is 0. So value of a is equal to minus b. So a value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1/6 ಇದೆ. 1/6 is equal to minus b. b is equal to minus 1/6. So value of a is 1/6, value of b is minus 1/6. One upon x minus 3 into x plus 3. So value of a is 1/6 divided by x minus 3 plus value of b is minus 1/6 divided by x plus 3. 1/6 by x minus 3 and the value of b is minus 1/6, so minus 1/6 by x plus 3. Integral of 1 upon x minus 3 into x plus 3 with respect to x equals, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1/6 ಇದೆ. Integral of 1/6 by x minus 3 with respect to x plus into minus minus 1/6 divided by x plus 3 with respect to x. So that is equals to 1/6 constant. 1 upon x minus 3 with respect to x minus 1/6 1 upon x plus 3 with respect to x. So okay, this is 1/6. Differentiation of x minus 3 is 1. Differentiation of x minus 3 is 1. F dash of x by f of x. So this is log modulus of x minus 3 minus 1/6 log modulus of x plus 3 plus integral constant c. Differentiation of x plus 3 is 1. F dash of x by f of x log modulus of f of x Differentiation of x minus 3 is 1. Again, f dash of x by f of x log modulus of f of x. I think this is enough. Or you can take 1 by 6 log modulus of x minus 3 minus log modulus of x plus 3 plus c. You will just stop modulus problem. Okay. Or 1 by 6 log modulus of x minus 3 by x plus 3 plus c. Log m minus log n. Log m by n. So here we have a plus b is equal to 0. Multiply this equation by 3. 3a plus 3b is equal to 0. Again we have 3a minus 3b is equal to 1. Okay, 3a plus 3b is equal to 0. 3a minus 3b is equal to 1. So ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Plus 3b minus 3b eliminate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3a plus 3a 6a. 6a is 1. a is 1 by 6. Take this equation. A plus b is equal to 0. So value of a is minus b. So a is 1 by 6. So minus b is 1 by 6. Value of b is minus 1 by 6. Substitute the values of a and b. Substitute the values of a and b in this equation. A is 1 by 6. B is minus 1 by 6. Plus into minus is minus. So 1 by 6 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Integral of 1 upon x minus 3. F dash of x by f of x. Log modulus of f of x. Again f dash of x by f of x. Log modulus of f of x. So 1 by 6 is common. Log m minus log n. Log m by n. Solve this one. Homework. Stop.